Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to close your Fidelity account step by step. First, begin by thoroughly reviewing your account to ensure all transactions are complete and no funds are pending. It's crucial to confirm that any outstanding checks or debits have fully cleared. Also, take a moment to consider any potential tax implications that might arise from closing your account, as this can vary based on account type. Next, you'll need to transfer your assets out of your Fidelity account. You can initiate an asset transfer to another financial institution, choosing between an in-kind transfer, where securities move directly, or a cash liquidation, where assets are sold and funds are transferred. This process can take several business days, so plan accordingly to ensure a smooth transition of your investments. Once your assets are transferred, contact Fidelity directly to formally request the account closure. You can typically do this by phone, through their secure messaging system, or by visiting a local branch. It's important to confirm with a representative that all your assets have successfully moved out and that the account balance is zero. Always request a written confirmation of the account closure for your records. Before finalizing, download all your statements and tax documents from Fidelity for your personal records, typically going back 7 years. Remember to update any direct deposits or automatic payments that were linked to your Fidelity account to prevent disruptions. Finally, monitor your new financial account closely to ensure all transferred assets have arrived safely and are correctly reflected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.